Hey guys, it's me, Sarah, with the Frugal Bear and Bear Made Crafts, and today we're just going to do a cover-up of another canvas. Actually, just found this one in the closet, so found it today. So we're going to just do a flip cup. Guess I'm going to grab another one of these little cups. I don't want to use the bigger one. So we're going to do a base of basic black, which is the Simply Acrylic that you can get at Walmart, and a little bit of the Calypso blue enamel. And then we're going to do a string pull in white. You know, I haven't uploaded anything in a while. I've been having problems with my camera. While I have recorded a couple, they're flipping on me. So my husband thinks he has it figured out, but why it's happening, I don't know. So there is no silicone in any of these colors. Give that a moment to let that paint come down. How's everyone's new year treating you? Mine is good so far. It seems to be taking its sweet time. Today is Sunday, January 13th. I will be getting braces on Tuesday, the 15th. I know I'm a bit old for that, but never too old to look good, I guess, to feel better about yourself. But I was joking with my daughter and said I'm going to have to learn how to speak all over again. So I know I don't have a lot of paint on here, but for a string pull you really don't want a lot left on your canvas. So we are going to something in my paint there. This is my first attempt at a string pull, so we'll see how much I screw it up, I guess. Or if we do okay. Took me forever to find string in my house. I found cord, I found yarn, I found... Do you think I could just find a normal string? That was a little more complicated. I had all sorts of chain and all that good stuff, but a little further. We just need a little more. Touch up all of our sides, make sure that we have everything. And just kind of let some more of this paint slide off. I'll see if I can figure out how to speed this up. I'm not very good at editing, so we'll see. Hopefully you won't have to sit and watch all of this. Oh no, there we go. There's something right on the edge there. Let's get that out. Okay. I'm going to change my gloves real quick because they're covered in black. I don't have any luck with edge catchers, so I don't bother with them. I seem to lose more that way than if I just attempt my hand. So all right. So for this, we just have our white here, and I'm just going to pour some onto my area over here. Probably lift you up so you can see a little bit better. There we go. And I have a couple of strings over here, and this is actually embroidery floss. It's honestly the only thing I could find in my house that resembled string. I have two here. I'm going to take the longer of the two. And lay it down. I'm going to use our stick. Just to mash it in there and get it nice and coated. I'll do chain eventually because I do have the chain. We have a roll of it for my son's medical alert necklaces, so okay, I've wiped up a little bit of the excess there. Let go. Okay. Guess I could have coated it more, huh? Well, okay, we'll let that sit for a moment. Oops. Okay. Well, isn't that cute? It's kind of purty. Take another one. Coat that one. I have one that's kind of decent. I hope I don't screw this up. You hate when you do that. You go, I just want to add just one more little touch, and bam, it's a mess. Okay. I'm going to do one more on the other side, but I did not cut any more strings, so I'm just going to wipe off this last one and stick it back in my white. And this one here, I don't know that I'm actually going to finger squeegee it at all. I think I'm just going to see what it looks like when it comes up. Oh yeah, we have to. There's just too much on there. Very lightly this time. Much lighter than the last ones. Okay. Do a couple of loop-de-loops this time. See what we get. Okay. Well, that's quite pretty. I'm pretty happy with that. Let's dab off that white up there. I'll dab a black. Clean up my edges a little. Okay, I'm going to take my gloves off and then pause you and then bring you in for a close-up. Here we are with our close-up. I accidentally stopped the whole video instead of pausing. There it is. Just a hint of the blue over here. There's more of the blue. In hindsight, I probably should have flipped it and had that blue on top, but I have to say, I'm impressed. I will definitely try that again. Yeah. Tell me what you guys think. Have you guys tried the string pull, and what were your results? Thank you guys for watching, and hopefully I'll have some more videos up soon. Thanks. Bye.